Welcome, friends. I hope you all are safe and happy. I am also doing very well. As soon as I woke up today morning, I thought I must make the women in my house feel little special. My mom, my grandmother, and the little woman in our house, my niece. Without them, life here is incomplete and so boring, guys. Without them, the house feels so empty and quiet. We all talk about respecting women in the society. We share our thoughts on social media every now and then. On Women's Day, social media will be bombarded with respecting women, treating women equally, giving importance to them, value them, etc. etc. I feel respecting women starts with respecting the ladies, women, or girls in your own home first. Nothing can beat a cake to make anyone feel special, right? Today I am making a healthy dates and nuts cake. Friends, we all must have witnessed gender bias at least once in life. Some of us might have even experienced it. So, while we all talk about gender equality and women empowerment, this issue of differentiation exists very much in our society even now. Many of us must have heard about the saying, women are their own worst enemies. Is that true? I'm sure majority of us would say yes. I feel it's high time that we stand with each other than being against. Women can empower other women in many ways. Majority of us might not have the capacity and privilege to change the outlook of the entire world. But we all can definitely make small changes in our own small world, our home, our family, our surroundings. So let's stand together and encourage all girls that we know to share their opinions and make them realize that their voice do matter and they are equally important for the society to function. Let's encourage everyone around us to educate girls and give them knowledge which will make them able to fly and reach the sky of success.